Hello everyone. The null hypothesis or the hypothesis. The null hypothesis is denoted as H0. The proportion of residents. The proportion of residents who use the store from each region are equal. Who use the store from each region are equal. Again, as the alternative hypothesis HA, the proportion of residents who use a store from at least one region are different. The proportion of residents who use the stored from at least one region are different. Here we use chi-square test. So to determine the p-value, we need to perform the chi-square goodness of fit. We first calculate the expected frequency. Expected frequencies. The expected frequency values are for north 250 into 0.4, that is 100. Similarly, for the south 250 into 0.24, that is 60. And for the east 250 into 0.22, which is 55. West it is 250 into 0.14, which is 35. This is the expected frequency. Then the calculated test statistic is, the formula is chi-square is equal to summation observed minus expected frequency divided by expected frequency. So therefore substitute the values one by one. 120 minus 100 whole square divided by 100 plus 48 minus 60 whole square divided by 60 plus 62 minus 55 whole square by 55 plus 20 minus 35 whole square divided by 35. So we'll get this after calculating. Chi-square calculated value is 16.24. So the degrees of freedom is k minus 1, which is 4 minus 1. So this became 3. So from the chi-square distribution table we get the p-value associated with the chi-square 16.24 is, so the p-value is approximately 0.002, which is less than the level of significance 0.05. Therefore we reject the null hypothesis. Therefore, the final answer is therefore we reject null hypothesis. So we can conclude that the data provided evidence that proportion of residents who use one place, one store place are different. I hope this video is useful. Thank you.